We're Jasmine and Josh, also known as Adventures of the Cooks, and we're taking you today around the Waterfalls of North Carolina. We arrived at the Wooded Wanderlust Cabin where we would be staying for the next 2 nights. This cabin has everything you could need for a stay in the mountains of North Carolina. It sleeps 10 across 4 rooms and has 2 full bathrooms. Each bathroom is stacked with this elite luxury style shower head. No, really, it has many faucets with water coming all out on all of the sides, so it's perfect for a day after waterfalls. The kitchen is fully stocked with everything you need. I was able to cook our Valentine's dinner here, and it was perfect. I had everything I need. The bedrooms have 3 queen-size beds and 2 sets of bunk beds, which can really fit any family's needs. The spacious living room has a warm fireplace with beautiful views and a comfy couch to relax on at the end of the day. On the deck and wraparound porch, there is plenty of seating and an outdoor fireplace. This spot in particularly is best in the morning for sunrise with a cup of coffee. That concludes our tour of the Wooded Wanderlust Cabin. We ended the night grabbing some food from Highlanders, which was about 15 minutes from the cabin.
It's Valentine's Day, which we spent chasing waterfalls, and here we go. We started with Waterfalls Park, and this required no hike since there's a parking lot right at the falls. The park is upkept by the local volunteer firefighters and looked like a great place for a park lunch. Next up was Elk River Falls, a short 15 to 20 minute drive from Waterfalls Park. After a quick and painless half-mile hike, we found ourselves at the top of the falls. There was an easy trail to get to the base of the falls, about 50-foot tall spectacle, and during the summer you can swim at the base, but it's highly recommended that you do not jump from the top as you risk serious injury or death. Next, we attempted to tackle the twisted/compression falls. We initially got started in the wrong direction, but very luckily ran into a local man and his dog Annie that guided us in the right direction.
Gonna make it. I was gonna go all the way, but it'll take too long and my knee's already hurting, so I'm gonna head back up. Oh no, I felt like a quitter. But I don't have Rupert's here. It's just not the time. Oh well. hike is intense. It should be rated hard. If it wasn't, maybe I didn't read it, I don't know. But it's really steep. This is the entrance down to it. And this isn't even the bad part. It gets even steeper and you have to use ropes to climb down. So I went mistakenly halfway thinking that I would make it, and while Josh stood up here with Rupert and did drone work and got closer to the waterfalls than I did.
Hoping for a short hike at the next spot, we drove to Laurel Creek Falls and were rewarded. The falls are directly off of Highway 321 with an easy-to-find roadside parking along the Watauga River. Having surpassed normal lunch times, we were starving and hit up the Peddlin' Pig, a local barbecue place. I had the brisket sandwich and Jasmine had the brisket tacos, and let's just say they were phenomenal. We highly recommend this place. There's 2 locations in Boone, and you should definitely put it on your list. Our final hike of the day was Crab Orchard Falls. Due to distance and elevation and waning daylight, we just threw up the drone for some footage.
Life hack. You don't have to hike all the way down to the waterfalls. Just get somebody who knows how to fly a drone, and they'll go shoot the waterfall for you so that you can sit on a bench with your dog.
The next day we made sure to hike 2 trails of Linville Falls, which we highly recommend you stop at if you're in that area. There are multiple trails to explore to see different portions of this waterfall. We did the plunge in Upper Falls, which offer unique views of this majestic waterfall.
All right, we're about to head out of Wooded Wanderlust. We really enjoyed our stay here. I mean, they had everything you needed. Good bed, good shower, dog friendly. Rupert liked the dog treats, and the views here are really great.
We closed out our stay in the Boone area and headed south for lunch in Asheville, and our final destination of the Great Smoky Mountains. We loved our stay in Boone and the waterfalls that we got to see and explore. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a nice day.
Bye.